angels. Today's Get Ready With Me video is sponsored by Blackmoon Hair. Now they sent me one of their units and they sent me the Jerry Curl Human Hair Lace Frontal Wig. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig and it is 180% density. As you guys know, I'm just going through what I found in the bag. We love those bags because they're good for storage. Okay, so this is the hair. I absolutely love the volume of this hair. However, it is so overwhelming because it is so thick. Okay, so I bleached the knots of this wig. As you guys can see, you guys see the residue on the lace? But that's not a problem. This wig cap has combs on each side at the top and also the bottom. It also has adjustable straps just so you can secure the wig nicely. So right now I'm just trying to position my lace properly, but also I'm just trying to show you guys how the lace looks in front. I didn't need to pluck it or anything like that. It already looks plucked to me, but I guess you can pluck it a little bit more if you want to. Now I'm going to use my water and conditioner, which is my OG, my go-to, and I'm going to try reduce the volume of the hair and just make it thinner, just so I can work with it, because it is a lot, girl. Like when I mean the volume is a lot, I mean it is a lot. Also, ladies, don't be afraid to comb your curls. Please brush them so that you know the product can get into the curls, so you can have them clean. They don't tangle, because curls can easily tangle. As you guys can see here, I took off the wig because it was just hard to work with while it was on my head. So I took it off and started working on the lace just to push back all the hair. As you guys can see, I managed to push it back. Now I can put it on and I can start installing the unit. Yeah, it's the lace for me, okay? It is the lace for me. So now I'm going to start combing back the hair. Remember, this is an important step because we want a natural looking installation. We want a clean installation. So you have to always be pushing the hair back, so this looks like it's coming out of your scalp, okay? I'm going to be going in with my mousse and I'm going to be very generous. Don't be afraid to use your mousse. I highly recommend the one that I'm using. It doesn't leave residue on your hair. I highly recommend it, okay? So I'm going to be using a generous amount and pushing back the hair. This allows you to also just, you can easily like lay your wig. You know, it makes it easier. The hair is back, nothing is in the face, you know. Don't forget to comb. Combing is important because you want that whole natural look. Okay, so now I'm just going to be cutting the lace. My scissor was a bit blunt, so I struggled a little bit like cutting my lace, but that wasn't a train smash or anything like that, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys that don't be scared to cut off the lace with a bit of hair. Like, you can't be having a whole huge lace behind you. You need to cut that lace. Don't be afraid to remove hair because you need this to fit properly on your head, okay? now I'm going to be going in with my Got To Be Freezer spray, and I'm going to be spraying this product along my lace. Also, when you're doing this, just be patient. Don't run through it, you know. Just make sure that the glue is all over the lace, is placed at every part of the lace. Yeah, just be patient with the installation so that it comes out looking good. Don't rush the process. Also, another thing I'm always just saying, comb the hair back. Also, remember, combing the hair helps it not to stick together, to create that whole natural looking scalp illusion or whatever. So comb your hair back. Do you guys see how I'm taking my time with applying this glue and just making sure everything looks good? That's what you need to do. Take your time. Okay, so now I'm just gonna lay my wig. I'm gonna tie my band on the lace. Just don't tie it too back because you don't want like your hair actually just laying flat. You must actually just tie the front part of your lace. That's it. Now I'm gonna start working on the hair. I'm gonna be applying a bit of water, a bit of mousse, and yeah, you guys will just see as I move along. It is for my sake, just for my sake, please bleach your knots. Do you guys see that line? That literally looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Please do me a favor and bleach your knots. Now, as you guys can see, I'm applying my water and conditioner to my hair, trying to reduce the volume again because the volume is a lot, but the volume is still a lot nonetheless. So now I'm just making sure that my line is clean, it's straight, you know, it makes sense, and yeah. Okay, so now I'm applying a bit of mousse on my line, on my middle parting, because I need it to be flat and I need the line to show, as well as I'm just rubbing off the rest of the amount on my hair. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with my hot comb. We need a clean installation, we need a clean look on my lace, so that's what we're doing, pushing the hair back and making it flat. Also on my line. Oh, and I realized that my line wasn't actually straight, so I had to fix that. But yeah, also I've got a few people asking me where I got my hot comb from. I got it from Take A Lot, and it was 200 and something, so you could easily just get it on Take A Lot. Now I'm going to be going in with my serum. I never forget my serum because I don't want my hair looking ashy. I want that whole shine, but you know, not a lot of it, just a good amount, a little bit. goes a long way. So I'm going to be applying this on my hair on both sides because I sectioned it into two sides. So I'm applying on one end and then on the other side. Ugh, no man, do you guys see these curls? This hair is beautiful, Shem. I won't even lie. This hair is really good. Like, I really like it. Like, I like it a lot. I really like it. However, I'm so ready to wear it for winter because it's so big, and when it's hot, it's just, you just want to tie it. But anyway, so now I'm done laying my wig. As you guys can see, that looks a bit too clean. Well, yeah, I can see that my line wasn't actually straight from the front, but that's because I had the band on. So I'm going to be using that little bit of hair as baby hair. But do you guys see that lace? What lace? Please tell me if you detect it, because I can't. I literally can't. I noticed that my lace was also loose right there, but I am going to fix it and make sure that it is stuck on right. Okay, so once again, guys, I'm not good with this baby hair. I just got into the game, but I am going to try and attempt do a cute Nyana baby hair situation there. I don't know, man, but this hair is really just giving natural vibes. Like, this is my natural hair. Like, I have curly natural hair. Look at that lining, look at that side parting that I opened. Guys, this looks so good. I am so impressed. Like, please look at the curls, the shine. Stunning. You guys see this natural thing I'm talking about? Like, it looks like my own hair. No, no, nope. There's just no way. This is beautiful hair. Also, just bleaching the knot took it to another level. So I'm trying to style this hair because I really like it, but the volume is a lot. So I'm trying to reduce it, like move it away from my face and just show a bit of lace. So I decided to style it like this. My angels, what lace. Love the volume, love the curls, love the texture. This is a beautiful unit. Highly recommend, okay? Thank you so much to Blackmoon Hair for sponsoring today's Get Ready With Me video. Absolutely love the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. All the details of the hair is in the description box below. I'll see you guys in my next Get Ready With Me. Mwah.